English listening and speaking practice lesson on My Wonderful Family. Listen to this passage carefully and then try and speak it out. You are watching Quick English by Neil Sir. Let's begin.
My wonderful family. Listening and speaking practice. I live in a house in a big city. I have 2 brothers and a sister, and I was the last to be born. My father works in a bank and my mother was a nurse in a large hospital. My siblings are very kind and hardworking at school. My sister is a nervous girl, but she is very kind. My grandmother also lives with us. She was from Britain. She came to stay with us when I was 2 years old. She is a bit old now, however, she's still very strong. She cooks the best food I have ever eaten. My family is very important to me. We have many things in common. My brothers and I love riding bikes and swimming. My sister likes to cook with my grandmother. At the end of the week, we take the time to sit and play board games together. We laugh at each other and always have a lot of fun. I love my family so much.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.